This is a video for beginning learners of Japanese, which explains the second half of all the sounds you can make in Japanese, as well as the modifications of hiragana. Chart 2. This is g, g. So,
ga, gi, gu, ge, go.
The hiragana in chart 2 are made by adding small marks to those in chart 1. First, add 2 short slant lines called tenten to the upper right corner of each hiragana. The hiragana are
ga, gi, gu, ge, go.
Next, z, z.
Za,
And the next one is not z, but
ji.
And z, ze, zo. The hiragana are
za, ji, zu, ze, zo.
next, d, d.
Da,
And the next one is not d, but
ji.
it is the same sound as ji. And the next one is not du, but
zu,
it is the same sound as zu. And
de, do.
the hiragana are,
Da, ji, zu, de, do.
this is b, b. So,
Ba, bi, bu, be, bo.
the hiragana are,
Ba, bi, bu, be, bo.
next is p, p.
Pa, pi, pu, pe, po.
In this line, small circles called chisai maru are added to the upper right corners of each hiragana. The hiragana are,
Pa, pi, pu, pe, po.
yes, chart 2 complete. We finished 2/3 of all the sounds. The last sounds are in chart 3. Sounds in chart 3 are made by combining those in this vertical column with ya, yu, yo. This sound is k plus ya, so
Kya,
and
kyu, kyo.
the hiragana are.
Kya, kyu, kyo.
We write small-sized ya, yu, yo here to pronounce them.
Kya, kyu, kyo.
Next is s plus ya. But remember that the pronunciation is not si, but shi. So the sounds are,
Sha, shu, sho.
the hiragana are.
Sha, shu, sho.
Next is t plus ya. But it is also not t, but chi. So the sounds are,
Cha, chu, cho.
the hiragana are.
Cha, chu, cho.
Next,
Nya, nyu, nyo.
the hiragana are.
Nya, nyu, nyo.
Next,
Hya, hyu, hyo.
the hiragana are.
Hya, hyu, hyo.
Next,
Mya, myu, myo.
the hiragana are.
Mya, myu, myo.
And next,
Rya, ryu, ryo.
the hiragana are.
Rya, ryu, ryo.
Next we have,
Rya, gyu, gyo.
the hiragana are.
Rya, gyu, gyo.
And next is z, but the sound is
Ji,
so
ja, ju, jo.
the hiragana are.
Ja, ju, jo.
Next we have,
Bya, byu, byo.
the hiragana are.
Bya, byu, byo.
And the last line,
Pya, pyu, pyo.
the hiragana are.
Pya, pyu, pyo.
You did it! Chart 3 completed. You've pronounced all of the sounds. Some special sounds in Japanese and how to write them. Thank you.